In this video, we will talk about how to fix page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app. Method 1. Virus and thread protection policy. Click in Search. Type gpedit. Select Open. Expand Administrative Templates. Then Windows Components. Search for Windows Security. On the right side, double-click on Virus and Thread Protection. Then hide the virus and threat protection area. Select Not Configured and click on Apply and OK. Method 2. Windows Defender. Click in Search. Type regedit. Select Open. Click on Yes. Here, you have to be in this location. I have mentioned it in the description. Right-click on Windows Defender. Select Delete. Then click on Yes. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.